To transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Uniswap, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the dashboard. From here, click on the Ethereum tab and select the Send option. You will be asked to enter the recipient address, which in this case is your Uniswap wallet address. Before proceeding, make sure you have the correct Uniswap wallet address. To find this, open Uniswap and click on the wallet icon. Then select the Ethereum network and copy the address. Go back to Coinbase and paste the address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer and review the transaction details, including the network fee. It is essential to note that Ethereum transactions incur a gas fee, which can fluctuate depending on network congestion. Once you have confirmed the transaction details, click Send to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. After the transfer is complete, go back to Uniswap and refresh your wallet to see the updated Ethereum balance. With your Ethereum now in your Uniswap wallet, you can start using it to interact with the Uniswap protocol, such as providing liquidity or swapping tokens. It is crucial to keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so double-check the recipient address before sending. Additionally, be aware of the potential risks associated with using decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps, you can securely transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Uniswap and start exploring the world of decentralized finance. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions when handling cryptocurrency transactions.